Hey everyone, today we're talking about YouTube Shorts and how you can leverage them to turn your creativity into cash. You might be surprised to hear that Shorts can be a real income generator, and I'm here to share some secrets to help you achieve that. First things first, let's clear up a misconception. YouTube Shorts absolutely can be monetized. It's true that a year ago, monetization wasn't available, but now creators can earn ad revenue through the YouTube Partner Program. Here's the exciting part. With Shorts, getting views is much easier compared to long-form videos. The platform prioritizes Shorts in user feeds, giving you a better shot at going viral. Now let's talk niches. Picking the right niche is crucial. Recently, wholesome content has been performing exceptionally well. My challenge video following this trend blew up, reaching 100,000 subscribers and still generating $3,000 to $4,000 every month. The key here is to add your own touch voiceover, text, or edits to transform interesting internet finds into shorts. While wholesome content is hot, there are other options. Celebrity gossip is another great niche. My Slam Dunk channel, focused on Mr. Beast and similar creators, gained over 1 million subscribers in just 6 months. It was pulling in an estimated $12,000 to $24,000 monthly at its peak. Feeling stuck for niche ideas? Browse Shorts and see what's trending. Can you put a unique spin on a popular concept? Here's a common concern. Can you monetize Shorts with repurposed content? The answer is yes, with a caveat. As long as you add value through voiceover, music, or text edits, it's considered transformative and eligible for monetization. My Kimberly Shores channel used AI voices and pre-made captions. Check out my software company Creo for this, to create shorts using clips from other platforms. We even appealed a monetization rejection successfully. Monetization is great, but views are king. Here are some tips for going viral. Find proven ideas. Look at trending content on other platforms and adapt it for your Shorts channel. Hook viewers early. Grab their attention in the first few seconds with a compelling intro. Maximize average view duration (AVD). Keep viewers engaged throughout. Use visuals, text overlays, and a clear narrative. Focus on swipe rate. Aim for over 85% swipe rate, people staying on your video, to signal strong audience interest to YouTube. The biggest pitfall for new creators? Giving up too soon. My advice: post consistently, once a day for 60 days. This gives YouTube enough data to understand your content and potentially promote it. My Kimberly Shorts channel took 3 weeks of consistent uploads before exploding. Want to dive deeper? Join my free newsletter for weekly case studies and in-depth YouTube Shorts strategies. There's also a massive project coming soon designed to help you reach your first $5,000 or even $10,000 per month with YouTube. Thanks for watching. Stay consistent, keep learning, and good luck with your Shorts journey. P.S. No creepy stuff at night, that was a joke.